Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ukanut ki sangma ula pentik kena ba Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi onsawan sa Shillong ha ka Sngi Blei banwan kata ha ka khatra Tarik menta uno pra arhajar arpuar. Haba keli syapang gajingwan Modi ukanut ulayat hu ba Menteri Rangba du onwan banishim benta ha gajing rakhi ka North Eastern Council ya ka jingdap san posnam bat kidan arteli ki jingyalang ki ba Modi on yashim benta lang. Ula ang bakumba julong kajing pen kre kajudan habawan Menteri Rangba du bat na kalyang ki bor mapet ya kajing sanran bat jing ya da yu kinle ya kabadon kam.
Minister will be visiting Shillong on the 18th of December, and the purpose of the visit is to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the Northeast Council. So he will be having two programs, and the details of that will be shared later. But he will be having two programs. He will be here for a couple of hours or 3 hours, and he'll be flying back. But yes, his program is confirmed, and it is mainly for the Northeast Council's Golden Jubilee celebration.
What are the security arrangements?
Obviously will be made, and when Prime Minister comes, then of course security arrangements are even looked at from the SPG side. So all those details are being worked out.